Hey, what's up everyone? This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere. As you guys know, I'm suffering from hair loss. I've talked about it tons of times in the past. I'm really cautious about it. I'm not happy where it's going. I've been trying tons of different products. I've tried so many different things, foams, creams, etc. And right now I've been using the iRestore Professional 282 laser system, hair growth laser system, to get better results, to see if this thing can change my life. And right now I'm at day 90, so I'm really excited because I've been seeing some results. And what I want to do is for the next 90 days, I'm going to show you me traveling with it, show you why I like this product the most out of anything I've tried so far, and show you how it works, right? So it's very easy. The best part for me about this product is that it's literally just a helmet, right? You put it on every other day for 25 minutes. Plug it in, right? Press power, right here. Press start, and there we go. So usually what I do is that I'm either working on my computer, or when I'm on a trip, I'm like offloading, organizing all my files, charging batteries, etc. Sit there for 25 minutes, finish up, and that's it. I don't have to think about it multiple times. I just have to remember that every other day I have to put it on for 25 minutes. So when I have time, when I'm sitting down, automatically I take it out of my bag and I put it on. The iRestore Professional is equipped with a whopping 282 lasers and LEDs, which deliver more power and light energy to your scalp. The cap itself is designed for maximum coverage, so whether you have bald spots, thinning at the crown and temples, losing your hair in the back, or have a receding hairline, the cap will deliver light energy to those spots easily. But best of all, it's super comfortable. It's well ventilated, so your head stays nice and cool while you wear it. And the medical grade foam pads inside ensure maximum comfort. It's so lightweight, it feels like you're wearing a cloud. So today is the 90th day mark. The past 90 days are pretty crazy. I traveled to Armenia, Kuwait, Spain, Italy, and LA. Really exciting 90 days. I really love traveling with this. It's very easy. I just pack in my bag, and every other day remember to put it on, 25 minutes, and that's it. And the next 90 days are pretty crazy as well. Tomorrow I'm flying to Kerala, India. So I have a 24-hour travel day to get there. I'm there for 14 days. I come back only for 72 hours, and then I'm going to Hawaii for 10 days. And then I come back to Miami and I have an entire month. And then I go to Bhutan. I'm so excited for Bhutan. And yeah, that's sort of my schedule for the next 90 days. So I'm really excited to show you, me traveling with it. And I'm gonna show you really why I love this product and why I think you should get it. I mean, the results, I'm seeing something. I'm seeing a little bit of hair growing. I'm seeing stuff. I'm taking the gummies. I actually have their shampoo. So I'm doing a lot of their, I'm using all their products, most of the products. And yeah, I can't wait to, show you the experience. Now let's go to my house. Let's pack this bad boy up and let's go to Kerala, India. And here we go. I'm all packed up. I travel very light. So I have like my uniform, my Davidsbeenhere t-shirts. I have 3 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of shoes, and I have to make a good space in between my clothes here. So I take that the iRestore out of the box and I put it right here in the middle. I put the power strip right here, right? And then I usually cover it with one more thing, and that's it. And now I'm ready to go to India. Okay guys, let's go to India. Hey, what's up guys? So, I've been here in India for roughly 10 days. Been traveling non-stop from Trivandrum all the way up here to Calicut. That's where I am right now. I am unpacking my bag and I'm getting my iRestore. Just go in here, put it out. Here it is. Now let's turn it on. Oh, I don't even know. I think it's like a 100-day mark around now. So I put it on, connect it, turn it on, press start. The way I always do my sessions is that I turn it on when I'm gonna do my offload, because I'm organizing my photos, my content, so I have to do it during this time, because really I sit here for about 30 to 40 minutes and it only takes 25 minutes. So it goes by really fast. I don't even notice it. Obviously just put it on, put it like that, transfer it, wait, and that's it. I mean, in terms of how easy it is to travel with, it's one of the best, because again, it's not a foam, it's not a cream, it's not a pill. I just have to remember that every other day to put it on for 25 minutes. In terms of experience, this is the best product I've ever used for hair growth. Again, the convenience, the easiness to travel with. I have a crazy travel schedule. I have to be able to have this with me at all times so that I can put it on, right? Because if not, it doesn't make sense, it doesn't work. And yeah, I mean, at 24 minutes, just gotta wait here. This says 18 minutes to go. So by the time I'm done organizing and everything and then do a second offload, that's it. I'm super excited, guys. I can't wait to see more results. We're already seeing more hair growing. You know, the thing is, with this type of stuff, you know, with hair growth products, you have to definitely think long term. You can't think, I'm gonna use it, once I get some results, it's done. No, you have to keep going with it. You know, that's how I believe it. You know, like, it's like everything in life, you know, it's about a long game, not the short game. And yeah, guys, I've had an amazing time in God's own country, Kerala, India, southern India. Really amazing time. Peace. Hey guys, so I'm in Bhutan. Bhutan is an amazing, epic, such a beautiful place. You have Buddhism, spicy chili and cheese and everything. And I gotta say, the past like 7 days have been some of the best days of my life. Really an amazing country. People are so nice. And the hikes to the monasteries, I mean, so spiritual. And today, let's put on my iRestore. So the only reason why I'm using a hat is because it's freezing outside. It's like something like -5. So whatever that is in Fahrenheit. All right, here we go. Let's open this up. It's been a long week. This thing's heavy. So iRestore works like this. Oh yeah. Love this bad boy. So easy to take around the world. All right, sorry guys, I like destroyed today. I hiked up the Tiger's Nest, like the highest, the most, you know, the #1 attraction here in Bhutan. It took like roughly 3 hours. I did it a little faster, it's like in 2 hours, but it takes 3 hours to get up there. So let me put this bad boy in. I'm actually gonna answer a bunch of emails now. Been on the road all day long. Put this guy on, connect it. Easy work, right there, bam. Like I told you guys before, the reason I love this product is because it's so portable. It's easy, you know? Now I can just answer emails for 25 minutes. All right, let me answer some emails. Yeah, I mean, when I'm traveling, the last thing I wanna think about is putting some hair product on, you know? Foam, creams, just doesn't work for me. I just can't remember. With this, with the iRestore, so easy. I always remember. Every night I have to offload my content, so every other night I put it on. I always have to remember though. That's the key, remembering. And I feel like I'm seeing a lot of results. I mean, I think I'm like, oh man, what am I like, 90 something days in? I mean, I'm deep in. I don't know exactly the date today, but yeah guys, I mean, this is how it works, you know? Easy. Oh, it fits so well. iRestore. See you in Miami. And that's it guys, I'm back from another 90 days of travels. I went to Kerala, India, I went to Hawaii, I went to Bhutan, then I did a little more in India, and that's it, 180 days of iRestore, trying the iRestore. I gotta say, this is my favorite hair growth product. I've tried so many different things over the past 3 years, and none of it compares to this. The reason why I say that is because this is so easy, and I'm seeing results. I am seeing lots of results. I was like empty earlier. Like a year ago, I was super empty, and now I feel like I have a lot more hair, especially here, this area, as you can see, it's a lot darker, right? And over here as well, this is like where I'm super thinning, and yeah, I'm seeing results. I feel great, easy to travel with, you know, just gotta remember every other day for 25 minutes. Try to like coordinate a time where you're doing something that you always do, you know, every other day or every day. You know, for me, it's like when I'm working on videos or taking content down from my cards to my hard drive. So that's usually when I do it. It takes me around 25 minutes to organize my footage and my photos. So I do it then, you know, I just plug it in, press play, it's on. 25 minutes later, it turns off, and if I have to go to the bathroom, I press stop, go to the bathroom, come back. That's it, that's my session. So 180 days, awesome guys. if your head is thinning, if you're suffering from hair loss, I highly recommend iRestore. It's an awesome product, very easy to use, very comfortable, and you won't regret it. You will see results, I hope. I'm seeing results, so I'm super fired up about it. Alright guys, I hope you love this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure somewhere around the world. Peace.